There's fellow rail fanners, Stacy and Michelle. They're getting ready to record the Amtrak train as well. It's supposed to be coming here around 6:30 p.m. Jesup, Georgia. We're here with Rail Dog Productions. Get the camera, Rail Dog Productions.
Okay.
Rail Dog again. We was in Folkestone yesterday. Got about 10 trains down there.
Yep.
We got lucky this morning out of the Beach Highway. Hit at the right time. We just wasn't really looking for trains, and we caught 2 CSX trains there. We were over in this area by Jesup, so we decided to come here. We saw where the Amtrak's supposed to come about 6:30.
Amtrak number 8 should be coming down that
Yep,
corner any
what's
minute.
that thing called? The Silver what?
Silver Meteor.
Silver Meteor's coming in here about 6:30 or so.
Well,
If this app's right. That's good. We'll have a view from this side of the tracks and opposite side of the tracks where they're at.
This is all abandoned now.
Yes.
So you can see just like.
There comes the Amtrak Silver Meteor coming into the Jesup station. Watching Rail Dog Productions on YouTube.